everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We've walked into the Presidium Frisco Square. This is a gorgeous apartment building. It's very high end. It looks beautiful. It's got this beautiful white colors all around, this gorgeous circular staircase. This is gorgeous. And then, hey, let's look at this. Look at the area here. This is beautiful. We've got just a huge area here. We've got, looks like some co-working. We'll explore that in just a minute. We've got just some more lounge area here, and then we've got a more lounge area over here, TVs, and just kind of a lot going on here. This is really cool. I like the benches. It's almost like a speakeasy kind of look here. This is very, very cool. You can see a pool that's outside, so that's cool to see that. And there's kind of a pseudo fireplace that's here. There's just really so much to do, and this isn't even all. Oh, there's also a room called the library that you can get in and kind of check out as well. We'll be checking all that out in a minute, but this is just an overview of the first floor. Hey, if you have any questions at any time, or you're ready to set up a virtual live or an in-person live tour, send me a text. I'll take care of that right away for you. 100% free service.